Netcon is a IT infrastructure services company offering consulting, system integration and managed services in technologies such as cybersecurity, cloud and data centers. As Netcon, we are a company which offers end-to-end security solutions for the organizations.
We do an assessment and then we partner with technology partners like Fortinet and offer them the solutions. Once we deploy the solution, we also, with the help of our own certified ISO 27001 lead auditors, we go and do a compliance check and audit of the entire framework.
We make a design to segment their network and help them manage it centrally across the entire network. In order to achieve this, we work with security partners like Fortinet, who provide an end-to-end solution right from the firewall to the endpoint switching and wireless. And with these solutions, we are able to implement segmentation for our customers' network and manage security policies across the network in a consistent manner. A large manufacturing company who are already on a Fortinet security solution enable this work from home, and Fortinet came forward and they provided additional user licenses, and with Fortinet VPN and FortiClient solutions on the customers' desktops, we were able to establish a foolproof remote working environment.
The government wanted to connect 6,029 schools across the state. Instead of making this an individual classroom enabled computer lab, why don't we connect the 6,029 schools and relay the entire data onto a central command center, so that tomorrow, you want to have a lecture transmitted across to all the schools. If you want to have more education content available across to various schools, this can have a base framework. We were able to connect 100,000 students having access to remote classes online, and it was possible because Fortinet as a technology partner came forward and made this happen by offering the technology commitment and the partnership.
There are many large projects we engage with Fortinet, and their support has been tremendous in terms of arriving at the right solution to a customer. The partnership is always driven with mutual benefit. They've been great supporting both technically as well as in offering the right commercials to our customers so that they get the best value. Our association has helped to build secure network infrastructure, and it has been a great journey in working with Fortinet, and I'm sure this association will continue for more years to come.